everybody, welcome back to my channel. Since it's Pride Month, I wanted to create a collection for you guys. So this first video is on the bisexual flag ring, so let's get straight into it. Okay, to get started, we can cut our thread. I cut about 3 feet, and then at the top, we can start adding our beads. So we're gonna do 1 pink, 1 purple, and 1 blue. And then we're gonna mirror it, so we're gonna do 1 blue, 1 purple, and 1 pink. And then you can let that trail down to the bottom of your thread. Once your beads are near the bottom of your thread, leave a few inches just so they don't fly off, and then go back to the top of your thread and take it around so it's going left to right into the first pink, purple, and blue bead that we put on. And then you're gonna weave that through it, pull it tight, and it should look just like that. Anytime your thread is coming out of the blue side, like the blue bead, you're gonna start with blue. So you're basically mirroring it every time depending on which side you're on. So when you're on the blue, we're gonna do blue, purple, and then pink. Just like that. And then we're gonna make a little circle with our thread. So you're just going up and around, and we're gonna go through the pink bead all the way through the blue. So those 3 beads there. And once you've got that weaved, you've gotten your 3rd segment. So every time we add a new segment of beads, your thread is gonna stay in the segment before that because that's what you're weaving it through, right? So before you add any new segments, you need it to be on the very end. So just take your thread and weave it through the segment right over. So it's coming out of the blue, so we're gonna weave it through the blue, purple, and pink that's right next to it. And then once you do that, you're ready to add on a new segment, and you're gonna do that every single time. Every time you add a new segment, your thread is gonna end up on the opposite side. So when your thread is coming out of the pink bead like it is here, you have to mirror that. So the order is gonna go pink, purple, and then blue. So once you've got those 3 beads on, we can take the top of our thread and weave it through the blue, going upwards, back up to the pink. Just like that, and once you pull that through, you've gotten your new segment. And don't forget that after every segment, you need your thread to be at the very end. So we're gonna weave it through the 3 beads that are right next to the segment it's at now. And once you've got that, you are ready to continue adding on beads. So this process stays the same throughout the entire ring making process. So just continue this until you have enough length to fit around your finger, and then I will show you how to close it up. Now that we've got enough length, we can finish it up. So first you can see how the thread is coming out of the blue end. So then on the other side, we're gonna weave it through the blue first. So blue to pink, so that it matches up correctly. So just like that, weaving it through the blue all the way to the pink. And once you pull that through, your ring should start to connect. Now that our thread is coming out of the pink end, when we weave it on the other side, we're gonna go from pink to blue. Once you've weaved it through that end and you pull it through, your ring should be aligned. Just like that. And then we have one more thing to do. So we want our longer piece of thread to meet up with the shorter piece of thread to tie it. So now that our thread is coming out of the blue end, we're just going to take it to the segment over, and we're going to go from the blue to the pink bead and just weave that through. And then once you pull that through, your 2 pieces of thread should be on the segments right next to each other. Now we can tie it, so we're going to take both ends and crisscross them, and then take one end and go underneath and then pull it up and pull that tight, and then repeat that one more time so it makes a knot. Then we're going to align both pieces of our thread. We're going to make a little circle, take both pieces and go underneath the circle, and then pull it up through. And slowly move it down so that you can get it as close to the ring as possible so that there's not like a huge knot on it. And once you've got that, you can cut off any extra thread, and then you are all done. Yay! I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I hope you all have a safe Pride Month. You can all celebrate. If this is who you are, be proud of yourself. Be proud of yourself, okay? But I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. But here's the final ring. I think it turned out really, really cute. I really like making flag-inspired rings. I think they're really cute. So I am going to be doing a series on this. If you have a specific flag you want me to do, please comment it. I would love to hear it. But I think the ring turned out really cute, and I hope you all have an amazing day and stay safe. But I love you. Bye.